Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in again. You may have watched the video where we unboxed everything here. I just did a quick overview of the whole IMS kit like this for my 2023 Frontier. But what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to go over just certain pieces of the kit in case you don't want the whole kit. Maybe you're looking for just a part. So let's get at it. All right, in this video we're going to go over the greaseable pin, or it's a greaseable bolt, and basically this takes place of the front version of your leaf spring. So where the leaf spring bolts to the front side of your truck, this is a replacement for that bolt. If you're installing a kit, don't necessarily need these, but again, it's got the little grease nipple on the end. You can unthread that, so if this isn't going into place and you have to give it a little bit of persuasion, you don't have to beat the end of your nozzle here with a hammer because it'll break it. It will not work anymore. So you can unthread that. You can see, got a little tiny wrench on there. Probably looks like maybe a 6-7 mil. You can beat it into place. When it's all in place, ready to go, just lightly tighten that back on. And again, pump it full of grease. It's got a little hole here. It'll work its way through. They come with lock washers, so you don't have a locking nut, but you do have a locking washer. So you can crank it down. As long as the washer is nice and tight, it's not going to go anywhere. And when you fill this up, because these bushings, if you want to see that video, go check it out. These bushings are basically what's made it up to those. So when you pump that up, it'll come out the hole. It'll pump into here. These have little holes. If I can get it in the light properly for you, have little holes in there. It'll come through, work its way through this whole thing, and in turn grease everything, including the end of your leaf spring. So if you're looking just to upgrade the bolt itself, you can order this by itself and just help it shut up all the little noise and stuff that your suspension may be making. Or if you're looking to buy the entire kit like we've got here, for a few extra bucks, I do recommend picking these up along with their bushings because, like I said, it'll be greased up, keep everything quiet, keep everything operating smoother and longer than it would in a regular scenario. So for a few extra bucks to extend the life of your new suspension here is well worth it. So there you have it, guys. Like I said, I just wanted to go over piece by piece of all these parts. So if you want to see this part specifically on the truck, make sure to like and subscribe. Go back, check out all the other videos on the other parts. And again, if you want to see the entire kit, it'll be on my 2023 Frontier here very soon. So if it's not already out, go back, make sure to subscribe. You don't want to miss it. If it's out, lucky for you, go back and check out that video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. Hopefully it helped you out. If you got any more questions, drop a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And thanks for watching.